Good afternoon to all, whoever listening my message now. I hope you all safe and healthy during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. As we all know that we are celebrating National Pharmacy Week every year during the third week of November. This year, to describe the role of pharmacist, pharmacy profession, and to spread the awareness amongst public, Nirmala College of Pharmacy is celebrating 59th Pharmacy Week from 16th to 23rd of this month, 2020, on the theme Pharmacist, Frontline Health Professionals. Here I like to share a keynote address of Dr. Naresh Sharma, immediate past president of IDA DSP. The main objectives of this year theme is to acknowledge and thank all the pharmacists and pharmacy sectors who are working tirelessly during the time of great uncertainty and challenges, in addition to the regular responsibilities of taking care of patients with minor illness or maybe the chronic illness, and making available the drugs with the continuous drug chain supply. Our pharmacists as frontline workers are relieving the burden of doctors, nurses and hospital emergencies department. I believe that society has definitely recognized the services rendered by pharmacists and the importance of pharmacy services during the pandemic situation and continues to do the health hereafter. To celebrate this week, Nirmala College of Pharmacy conducting various events like pamphlet making, slogan making and debate competition by the initiatives of extracurricular committee head Dr. Anna Jainwal with the help of their committee members along with their students representative and the students of third form team. I sincerely congratulate for their effort and involvements, which gives inspirations to other budding pharmacists too. So with this message as the principal of Nirmala College of Pharmacy and behalf of management, once again I wish you all the best for this year National Week celebration. Thank you.
In a fight against the COVID-19 pandemic situation, the frontline healthcare workers have played a vital role in keeping the pandemic situation at bay. But recognition of individual efforts have always been inconsistent at all levels, and so is the case with our pharmacists. Pharmacists have continued to provide direct patient care as well as perform frontline duties during the COVID-19 pandemic situation, but they often pull back to the background as mere dispensers of medication and are overlooked when the frontline healthcare workers are being acknowledged. Pharmacists have performed a commendable job during the COVID-19 pandemic situation, which has and is still going unrecognized.
Community pharmacists are the most accessible healthcare practitioners, which is further proven during the pandemic as they continue to provide direct patient care despite of the all regulations imposed by the government due to the pandemic. The inaccessibility of other health practitioners during this time, the community pharmacists will reduce the burden of healthcare system by diverting the influx of people away from the hospital by triaging and screening of patients. Community pharmacists have played major roles in supporting the healthcare system during COVID-19 situations, include delivering medicaments to the patients, educating patients regarding the telehealth services, accessing patients for the renewal of chronic medicament, performing consultations on minor ailments, then identifying misconceptions regarding the COVID-19 treatment and contributing to COVID-19 screening in the countries of the world. alongside ICU nurses, physicians, respiratory therapists, pharmacists is also been a part in its effort against COVID-19. Their roles include management of drug shortage, development of treatment protocol, participation on patient rounds, interpretation of lab results of COVID-19, exploration of new drugs, medication management advice, and antibacterial stewardship.
Community pharmacist is the most accessible healthcare providers. This is true regarding the current situation of COVID-19. While all other healthcare providers have closed their doors to patients, only the community pharmacies were opened at that time. For a low to middle income countries, generally the pharmacists offer an advantage of medical advice to the patient as well as direct patient care. This medical advice is provided for the patient who are not able to afford the physician fees. Some of the roles played by the pharmacist at the time of COVID-19 includes providing the medications without any cost, educating the patients regarding the telehealth services, preventing the misconceptions regarding the COVID-19 treatment protocols, screening of the patient, that is contribution to the COVID-19 screening test in almost all countries around the globe are some of the roles are being played by the pharmacist. Along with that, it includes the improvement or providing the consultation for minor ailments as well as assessing the patients regarding the renewal of the chronic medication, that is assessing the patients regarding a renewal of the chronic medication.
Hi everyone, as we are celebrating the Pharmacist Week, I just wanted to give you more knowledge on hospital pharmacists. We know that pharmacy is a profession which is having many branches, which include community pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, industrial pharmacy, etc. The role of hospital pharmacists during this COVID-19 is being overlooked by the public. Alongside the ICU nurses, the respiratory therapists, the physicians, the hospital pharmacists are also contributing to the COVID-19 management protocols by participating in patient rounds. They can ensure the medication supply to support the ICU beds. And they are the ones who are in a position to manage the critical drug shortages by the implementation of conservation strategies and sourcing alternatives. The hospital pharmacists can also participate in the antimicrobial stewardship programs. And thus they are directly involved in responding and planning the pathogen outbreaks, which is of heightened importance during this COVID-19 pandemic. As a part of this antimicrobial stewardship program, these hospital pharmacists are involved in developing the local treatment protocols that repurposes the antivirals, and they can monitor the antimicrobial use among the COVID-19 patients. In addition, the hospital pharmacists can also interpret the test results for COVID-19. They can explore the new drug therapies or uses, and they can provide the medication management recommendations to the healthcare workers, including the physicians. So by all these roles, they are contributing to a better patient care service, which is one of the most important roles of a pharmacist. So on this occasion of Pharmacist Week, I just wanted to give a big salute for all the pharmacists out there for their continued support, dedication, and devotion during this COVID-19 pandemic worldwide. Proud to be a budding pharmacist. Thank you.
One of the most asked questions in internet is when an effective COVID-19 vaccine is coming out. We pharmacists can help the world by providing our valuable services in this area. Certain countries like India, US and UK have passed legislation which allowed the pharmacists to administer the COVID-19 vaccines once it is available in the country. The survey conducted by US suggested that it would take more than 7 weeks to administer vaccine to 80% of the adult during a COVID pandemic when community pharmacists not involved, highlighting the critical role of the pharmacist during a pandemic. Many countries have amended their laws which allows the pharmacist to administer vaccine. For example, in the 2009 H1N1 pandemic, the pharmacists were allowed to administer the H1N1 vaccines. In the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, the soldiers is the healthcare system and the shield is the healthcare workers. The pharmacists have not stepped back because of COVID-19. Instead, they came forward to take up more responsibilities. Their efforts should not be forgotten when the frontline workers are appreciated. The pharmacists are frontline workers and they should be assigned as such and should be given the deserved recognition.
Good afternoon to one and all. It's indeed my greatest pleasure to welcome you all to the 59th National Pharmacy Week celebration conducted by the third year PharmD students of Nirmala College of Pharmacy. National Pharmacy Week 2020 is being celebrated on 16th to 23rd of November based on the theme Pharmacist, Frontline Health Professionals. Pharmacist, a frontline health professional, is a theme of National Pharmacy Week celebration. So the major focus of National Pharmacy Week is to create awareness amongst the public, other healthcare providers and authorities about pharmacy profession and role of pharmacist. Today, we have gathered here to witness the debate competition. So, Jissa Elizabeth Sabu.
Are you the one who presented somewhere in the conference with the help of Bharat sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I was searching you only. Yeah, good. First time that's an opportunity to see your face. Good. And
Thank you.
Your deliberation was excellent. That the one word.
So, what's more, when you fill a generic prescription, the refill could be made by a different manufacturer, and this can cause confusion to the patient and also errors in dispensing by the pharmacist, and also some kind of frustration because the patient is confused about the
same quality and quantity of the ingredients as compared with the branded medicines. It should the active ingredients should be in same quantity. Then only they will be passing the bioequivalence test. So and they will be conducting tests with approximately 40 individuals, healthy individuals, and they are supposed to take the drugs in same quantity, both branded and the generic one.
branded drug that has been patented. They undergo bioequivalent test. Then generic drugs are said to be having same bioequivalent at that of branded drugs. I also agree to that, but it's only in the case of the drugs that we are exporting. The exporting drugs are having high quality generic drugs. Even we are exporting the drugs to many other countries like US.
A generic drug is the one that contains identical drug molecules and must be bioequivalent to the brand named patent drug. A brand name patent drug is the one that is developed by a brand and has patent holding for it for about like 17 to 20 years.
Live on less than 72 rupees per day, when one of the major payout is healthcare purpose, that is for medicines. According to WHO statistics, almost